What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This video is about the Honda Accords that have a recurring EGR code, and I've come up with a small video, like a solution to not replacing the EGR just because you have that code. Alright, so I hope you enjoy. Say hi.
Bye. Hi.
Alright guys, if you have a car like this, which is a 2001 Accord with the low emissions, the ULEV motor 2.3, and you have an insufficient EGR flow code, it's related to this thing right here. What you have to do is remove throttle body and the upper portion of the intake manifold to access the EGR port right here, which is connected to the EGR bracket right here. I'm also replacing the Vtec solenoid right here because it was leaking a lot down this way. To access, we gotta remove or detach thermostat housing from the intake manifold right there. It has two 12mm nuts. So yes, I spray it up here. There you see all the gunk. Another common problem with these cars is this O-ring right here. That's this distributor O-ring. It will leak down your transmission, this side, and down to that side. Alright guys, so I already installed the Vtec solenoid. It has 3 bolts that hold down to it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now I gotta push this thing back in here. There you go. Now we got 2 12mm bolts to go in here. Now finishing up with the thermostat housing attached to the intake manifold. Now we're going to attempt to put this thing back together. So we're going to pull this hose out of here. Nope. Move this shit to the side. These are bent gasket. Bent it later. Trying to get it out of here. Position this thing right here. We have one nut here. Another nut on this side. And 3 bolts. One here. One back here at the very end. And we have another one right here, right next to the intake air control solenoid valve, whatever y'all want to call it. Okay, we got 2 10mm nuts holding. This is the purge valve. If I can get it. Okay, here we go. Yes, got it. All right, let's plug all this back in here. Missing one. Where are you? Here you are. And you go here. Okay. Now we get these 2 right here. One is for ground. The other one for the bracket. Okay, I got this in. Let's speed up the process because it's kind of hot. Plug in this air intake sensor, temperature sensor. These 2 are for the gas pedal and the cruise control. Go this right here. Now we're going to install the throttle body. Okay. 2 bolts, 2 nuts, 12 millimeters. Now that the EGR port is clean, I'm sure I'm going to be saving a little bit more gas. So I'm hoping to fix a couple of problems at the same time. Attack the issues. Yeah, hopefully. Tighten it in opposite corners. Go. We have a clamp and this little hose right here. I'm trying to get it. Oops. Yeah, let me see. There you go. All right. I guess I lost a bracket. Here. This one goes here. And this one goes here. And this is where the distributor right here. No. Let's plug in. So we have got the man. I guess this is like a map sensor. And this one right here is the TPS, total position sensor. Let's not forget our vacuum booster hose right here. Yes. We're gonna install this EGRs. Yep. That's a done deal right here. So it's really hard to do with a regular. What I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna just spray some of this oil degreaser. This is disgusting. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Then I'm gonna power wash the whole engine bay. Alright guys, so I bought an assortment kit, distributor O-rings from AutoZone for like $6. See if I can find the right one for my distributor. it back a little bit, and then go around. And there you go. Perfect. We find the correct position for this. Oh, this came off. What happened? Okay. Alright, so now we have installed our O-ring for the distributor. Put the first one in. And now the second one in, just down here. Just put all this in place before this falls off again. Alright, it's in. Turn it a little bit. Dun, 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 dun. One and two. Plug this baby in here with some water in it. Yep, it's sure gonna be a misfire. It's okay. Don't care. Okie dokie. Yeah. Looking good. Alright guys, there it is. It's all done and completed. There's no oil leaks. Nothing. No codes. Everything is perfect. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing and liking this video. I'll see you in the next one.